Shut up. Cats of Africa.
And the lion.
And the lion of Africa. Shut up. Cats of Africa. Shut up. I am your boss. I am your king.
Cat now, meow. Who is the meow now? Who is the freaking meow? Walalka, thank you so much. We love you. Who is the cat? Who is the cat? Me? Yarp. Yarp. Listen, your people, they have too much money, but they don't support you. You know why? Because they love money. My people, they love their name. They love their name S. That means Somali. That is it. That is what we fight for. We fight for Somali, the name. And you fight for the money. That is the problem. Now the challenge you can talk.
Flower. Also. Tolo ananda guys. Flower must that me so ananda.
Ogayo bye. Ogayo bye.
Ananda flower. Also guys. Let's go.
Told them by so boy ninkan.
Also ananda. Tolo asir so guys.
He told them by so boy guys ninka. Freedom.
Boom. Let's go so guys. Tolo. So guys.
Guys, وحيدي واحد صدق وا 3 times guys 3 times غلاف كنا ولي ما حسنا وا 3 times تضبعتني يا تضبع شو دعي تضبع
everything so تفنو نتكلم triple نتكلم family teamwork everything is
واحد كستا صدق جبار
everything goes so fam let's go
freedom boom
let's go family triple and diamond and نتكلم guys triple Alright guys come on
Itu. I God. Oh my God. Look what happened now. Now you cannot talk. That's what I'm talking about. Oh my God. King Moha Amir, thank you. I love you. And I love, oh Malina, love you. Thank you so much. Walalka, thank you. Everyone, thank you guys. Oh my God, I'm so proud to be Somali. This is another level. Daniel, 1.1 million Ethiopian people follow you. And they didn't even send the one lion. We got the lion, brother. Who is the cat? Meow. And who is the lion? What happened to your people? Guys, let me tell to your people. I'm telling you guys, Daniel, he cannot talk because this is a shut up game. So that's why he is not talking. So if you want to help your boy, let's fight. Because now only us, we are fighting. You are not fighting. Alhamdulillah. Thank you, guys. Thank you. The meow of Africa, brother. Meow. Meow. Even not the big meow. Yes. Even they're not the big meow. La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah. If this is my Somali people, their blood will boil like oil boil. Where are they? They sleeping, your people? Team Anjera, are you sleeping, Team Anjera? Team Anjera sleeping? La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah. Team Anjera sleeping, no? Team Anjera sleeping, though. What happened to Daniel? Guys, what are you doing? Protect your boy. Win. You cannot fight. Guys, fight. You cannot fight. Wallahi billahi, todobadii wax ka daran baa ku dhacay. That is crazy. That is crazy. They cannot snipe. They cannot snipe. Team Anjera are sleeping. Completely sleeping, team Anjara. Anjara, you sleeping. That's it. Completely finished. Boom. Boom. Brother, you have to salute us and tell us, you have to say three, I give you three options. You have to say Somali people are the most powerful in the whole world. 1. 2, you have to say Somali people, they are the most powerful and the lion of Africa.
Same.
No. Whole world
Yes.
or only Africa? It's not the same.
No, change it.
Daniel, be a man.
Change
It's
it.
not.
Change it. No, change it.
Okay, wait. You have to say Ethiopia, sorry, we are the cat of Africa. Go for it. What's good for you?
Punishment number 3.
Oh yeah, punishment number 3. Punishment number 3, it is you have to say we are sorry, we are Team Anjero, we are sleeping. So what's good for you, Daniel? Come on, do it. Go for it. Be a man. Daniel, be a man.
Okay. Somali people are the strongest in the world.
And the lion.
And the lion of Africa.
Yes, thank you. See you tomorrow, Daniel.
Good night.
Respect. Thank you. Good night. intaan qof walaalkaya oo Soomaali ila ah microphone u qaadanayo kuwan microphone-ka anigu qaadanaya. Oh my god, Ethiopian kala isoo doontay laakiin waan u sheegay waxaan ku oranayaa brother macaya. You were listening, huh?
He was showing off from me, and then he go to you, and then you beat him.
Oh, did he beat you?
Yeah, he beat me, yes. And then he just show off.
Oh,
the way I saw the video, I'm just laughing, you know.
I don't be you. Oh my God, you're hurting me.
I swear.
What did he? Oh my God.
He just show off, you know. Serious, he just show off like I am a king, blah blah blah. When I see there's the king of kings there also. He has to come down.
That is it.
Yeah, he has to come.
Calm down, baby, calm down, baby. Completely crashed because he was like, I was playing music and he came in and he was saying, "Bah, you're a bad," and the Somali people they were like, boom. What happened? You listening? What did he say? Tell me. Please, what is he saying? I don't understand, please.
No, he just appreciate because he knows that he cannot.
He cannot beat Somali people. It doesn't matter what.
No, it's not about that. But the thing is, I'm talking to you like he was showing off from my side. Like we was playing, you know.
Yeah.
And then the guy he show him that there is like someone he want to show, you know, but he's nothing.